actually helped me not only get my tap legs back, but even better than I had ever been.
It's so much fun. I've really been enjoying it.
It is a total blast to tap with you.
If you're into tap dance and you want to learn more, this is the place to do it.
At my age, I'm 75. I just started tap dancing not that long ago.
And I'm 54 years old.
When I reached 70, I decided this is something I want to revive, and the perfect person to do that with is Terrence Bennett.
I practice along with one of his videos every single day.
If you can't make it to the class, he'll send you the recording anyway.
I can do this anytime.
He's very generous as a teacher. He makes himself available. You can ask him a question, he'll give you an answer. I can make a request for something I'd like him to cover in class. He'll cover that in class.
It's a nice mix between him giving instruction, but then also giving us time to really put in the reps.
Your enthusiasm and the way you find, really interesting songs and keep us engaged. It's a gift.
He gives me detailed feedback, and this is almost unheard of to get that kind of master class on one-on-one.
Hello and welcome back to the 6-Minute Taps course, part of the ETAP training program. After the tip heel to just catch a brush on the way to that step. Now let's try it at a few different speeds and then we'll try it with the music and you will have it. Congratulations.
I find myself improving, and it's a fun way to get in exercise.
He's so clear and concise with his communication.
I discover something new every single time. In the last year, I've performed 3 times.
I'm just amazed at how giving he is as a teacher and how eager he is for us to enjoy it and to master it the way he has.
My job is to get you there. Your job is just to believe that I can get you there.
After every class, he sends a recording so that I can practice or see the things that I didn't quite get.
I feel like he's like my co-pilot, just all the way, just right there beside you.
I look forward to continuing this tap journey with you.
And I plan to keep doing this for as far into the future as I can see.